Good morning. Hi, Buffus. What are you doing? So we've got the egg sign out. Maybe I have an overflow of eggs, so we're gonna offload those. They sell pretty quickly, so I'm not worried about it being out too long. But I want to kind of get this area. I cleared up this area so I can do a yard sale. Hi, Reba. Everybody's awake and up in my business this morning. Hey, girls, what you doing? Hi. I do want to get a coat of paint over here on this. The store is taking me forever. I don't know why, but it is, and that's okay. That's okay. But I'm gonna declutter today. So the goal is a whole house declutter, but I don't want to spend, hi chicken, too much time in every room decluttering. So we're gonna start here first. On the other side of this, there is a bunch of board games. So no one will play board games with me. So sad. So I want to kind of clear those out. I can probably send my son a couple of those because I know he plays a lot of board games with his friends and fam over there. Hello. And then we'll go from there. I have a pair of shoes I want to fix today. And some of you hate these shoes and some of you love these shoes. I've been getting messages, but that's cool. I don't care. I'm obsessed with them. They're super cozy. They're like the most squishiest shoes. Anyway, they broke already because me happened. So I looked up a video online and I'm going to use this plastic to help fix these. And of course, my Flex Seal, because that's a project I'm going to work on. What else? And then we've got Ms. Diva already at work this morning. So let's get started and see where the day takes us. I have no plan today. The sheets are getting done as well, so that's happening. And let's get these girls. There's some yogurt that it looks like none of us are going to eat. We've had it in the fridge for a while. Hi, Rose. Look who joined the conversation. Hey, cutie pies. Oh, well, that didn't look friendly. Hi, what are you girls doing? Anyway, and get them outside. So I don't mind that they're in the house, but if I've got some egg purchases going down, it's too much chaos between them and him. If you're new here, I'm Rita Selena, actress, author, lifestyle content creator, and your shopping bestie over on Amazon Live. I've also decided to add professional pile relocator and apparently the CEO of Why Do I Own 47 Bathing Suits. Just kidding. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to do a realistic mid-spring declutter reset. We're kind of going to tackle overflowing closets, way too many swimsuits, board game chaos, a couple laundry mountains, some couch cover swaps, and the lovely Ms. Diva, the robot vacuum, doing emotional support laps around the house. And if this is your jam, please hit the subscribe button and become a part of the fam. We love to have you here, absolutely. So I'm getting these things organized for an upcoming Amazon Live all about family game night. Think board games, outdoor games, pool games, cornhole, cozy summer hangs. Basically, if it screams snacks, competition, somebody flipping the Monopoly board, we're talking about it. And honestly, this video is going to be so much less perfect Pinterest, homemaker, and more girl staring into a closet asking herself why she owns 6 identical black cardigans. So I'm going to bring this to you guys, and please put it down in the comments below. Sorting, purging, donating, making resale piles, trying to create a little breathing room before summer fully barges through that front door with pool towels and chaos. How do you handle it? Because sometimes decluttering isn't just about stuff. For me, it's also kind of got a whole system going. Amazon Live favorites, whatnot, and Poshmark piles, donation stacks, eventual yard sale energy. If all else fails, you got to have like a plan C right? So grab a coffee, fold some laundry with me. Let's reset the house together, one tiny chaotic corner at a time. Because sometimes it's about realizing your house has quietly turned into a storage unit with decorative pillows. And I know you guys love realistic homemaking, cozy cleaning, motivation, decorating, chickens, projects, shopping finds, lifestyle chaos with a side of humor. Hit the subscribe because you are absolutely among your people here. All right, let's just get into this. Decluttering always starts so innocent, doesn't it? I thought I was just pulling out a few dresses, and then suddenly I'm vacuuming feathers, finding random water jugs in the back of the closet, and questioning why I own evening gowns when I go absolutely nowhere fancy. Honestly, if I thought too hard about how big projects like this actually are, I'd never start them. Can you relate to this? So I have to take it one tiny step at a time. Pull things out, make a pile, decide what stays, keep it moving. I love all the fancy decluttering methods in theory. KonMari, Swedish death cleaning, all of it. But realistically, my method is more throw myself into the chaos until progress happens method. But once I get started, though, I usually find my groove. Starting is always the hardest part. So I know that if I do that, I've gotten the hardest part done. So tell me, are you a planner when you declutter, or do you just launch yourself into the mess and hope for the best too?
Well, we have officially entered into the I started five more projects I absolutely did not plan for era, and honestly, I respect the chaos a little. The closet, it's getting its little glow up. The mysterious light fixture project will simply live in legend and not be discussed further. And now we're here, painting the door and pretending this is all very normal behavior. But this feels like a good little pause before summer fully rolls in. Spring has me feeling oddly capable, like I can reorganize my whole life and fix random corners of the house like I'm in a quiet productivity montage. Summer, though, ugh. Summer is my natural state of why is the floor so comfortable? It's the season I want to do everything except everything that involves doing things. So I'm curious, what about you? What is your most productive season of the year and your least productive one? Drop your answer and match your vibe with an emoji: a flower for spring, a sun for summer, a maple leaf for autumn, and a snowflake for winter. Let's see if we're all secretly synchronized in our seasonal chaos. And just like that, another slightly chaotic, very busy bee kind of day is tucked away. Get it? Spring bee, busy bee. Anyway, not everything got finished in a straight line, and honestly, that's kind of the point. Some weeks aren't about perfect order, they're about moving energy around your space, clearing what's ready to go, and letting yourself jump between the little projects that call your name. A closet reset here, a random fix it moment there. It all counts. It all moves things forward in its own way. So if your own days ever feel like a scattered little bit of a why am I doing five things at once, you're in good company here. Thank you for spending part of your day with me in this little pocket of chaos and calm, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.